Which district leads in the production of Bengal gram? A. Thoothukudi, B. Salem, C. Vellore, D. Coimbatore. The correct answer is D. Coimbatore. Which concept explains the phenomenon of a mirage? A. Diffraction, B. Dispersion, C. Polarization, D. Total internal reflection. The correct answer is D. Total internal reflection. What is a fear associated with globalization in the developing world? A. Increased stability, B. Reduced foreign exchange, C. Decreased competition, D. Economic instability. The correct answer is D. Economic instability. What city was established by the Dutch as a base, now known as Jakarta? A. Malacca, B. Batavia, C. Penang, D. Singapore. The correct answer is B. Batavia. What type of technology was widely employed by humans during the Mesolithic period? A. Macrolithic technology, B. Microlithic technology, C. Agricultural technology, D. Metallurgical technology. The correct answer is B. Microlithic technology. Which famous backwater lake is found in the Malabar coast region? A. Chilika, B. Vembanad, C. Pulicat, D. Koleru. The correct answer is B. Vembanad. Which concept is explained by describing mutation breeding with an example? A. Biofortification, B. A specific genetic modification technique, C. Protein synthesis, D. Gene cloning. The correct answer is B. A specific genetic modification technique. What instrument is primarily used to observe microbes like bacteria and viruses according to the aim? A. Telescope, B. Refractometer, C. Compound microscope, D. Spectroscope. The correct answer is C. Compound microscope. What is the flow of electrons termed? A. Electron current, B. Conventional current, C. Proton flow, D. Charge movement. The correct answer is A. Electron current. What canal is mentioned in the text? A. Erie Canal, B. Suez Canal, C. Corinth Canal, D. Panama Canal. The correct answer is D. Panama Canal. When did Japan take control of Korean domestic and foreign policy? A. Before 1900, B. During the Russo-Japanese War, C. After 1905, D. After 1904. The correct answer is C. After 1905. Where do electric charges exist that are associated with electricity? A. Outside the atom, B. Only in protons, C. Inside the atom, D. Only in electrons. The correct answer is C. Inside the atom. Which of the following actions can demagnetize a magnet? A. Storing it with other magnets, B. Keeping it at room temperature, C. Dropping it from a height, D. Wrapping it in paper. The correct answer is C. Dropping it from a height. What type of impediments were used to stop people from the East? A. Lethal impediments, B. Economic sanctions, C. Diplomatic agreements, D. Cultural barriers. The correct answer is A. Lethal impediments. Which country contributes the highest share of total plastic used globally? A. Thailand. B. Vietnam. C. Indonesia. D. China. The correct answer is D. China. Which characteristic is associated with the equilibrium state? A. Variable rate of reaction. B. Dependence on catalyst. C. Reversible reaction occurring. D. Irreversibility. The correct answer is C. Reversible reaction occurring. What specific chemical leaks out of PC products? A. Styrene. B. PET. C. PVC. D. BPA. The correct answer is D. BPA. How long did the bill against the Devdasi system wait to become an act? A. Over 10 years. B. Over 17 years. C. Over 15 years. D. Over 12 years. The correct answer is B. Over 17 years. Which government body has several lakhs of employees to execute laws? A. State government. B. Local government. C. Judicial branch. D. Central government. The correct answer is A. State government. Under which ruler was the Mughal Empire consolidated? A. Babur. B. Humayun. C. Akbar. D. Aurangzeb. The correct answer is C. Akbar. Which law of motion is associated with the concepts of momentum and force? A. Second law of motion. B. First law of motion. C. Law of conservation of energy. D. Third law of motion. The correct answer is A. Second law of motion. What are finished goods bought from the market to fulfill daily needs called? A. Raw materials. B. Industrial goods. C. Consumer goods. D. Intermediate goods. The correct answer is C. Consumer goods. An example of a fixed or removable joint mentioned in the text is between which two structures? A. A knee and a thigh bone. B. A hip and a leg bone. C. A rib and the breast bone. D. An elbow and a forearm bone. The correct answer is C. A rib and the breast bone. What is another name for a double displacement reaction? A. Metathesis reaction. B. Combustion reaction. C. Decomposition reaction. D. Synthesis reaction. The correct answer is A. Metathesis reaction. How many parts per million by weight does the Earth's crust contain carbon? A. 300. B. 320. C. 32. D. 3200. The correct answer is B. 320. Which type of vascular bundle is found in a dicot stem? A. Concentric. B. Conjoint, collateral, indarj and open. C. Bicollateral. D. Radial. The correct answer is B. Conjoint, collateral, indarj and open. How many deaths resulted from the 2015 pandemic in India, as reported? A. 1,900. B. 22,700. C. 31,000. D. 1,000. The correct answer is A. 1,900. Which city is described as a famous Buddhist center in the epic Manimegalai? A. Patliputra. B. Vaishali. C. Kanchipuram. D. Rajagriha. The correct answer is C. Kanchipuram. Which of the following is a Harappan site located outside of current Indian borders mentioned in the text? A. Rakhi Garhi. B. Harappa. C. Kalibangan. D. Lothal. The correct answer is B. Harappa. Which of the following is an example of an involuntary levy mentioned in the text? A. Voluntary service fees. B. Membership dues. C. Income tax. D. Charitable donations. The correct answer is C. Income tax. How did you score?